How to leave a Discord server on mobile. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to leave a Discord server on mobile. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Discord app. Then next, navigate to the server that you would like to leave. Once here, you can click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, just on the server's logo there. Then on this next menu, just scroll down until you see the button that says Leave Server. So tap on that one. It will ask you to confirm that you really want to leave, so just go ahead and click on Leave Server. And now I've just left that server. And that's all it takes to leave a Discord server on mobile. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.